Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see my activity in Strava PC. So first thing that you will do is simply go to strava.com. From here, just make sure you are signed in into your account. And in order for you to see your activities, you can just simply go ahead and click on over here, following, and you should be able to see here my activities. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here all of your activities in order from the present to past. So from here, you will have multiple activities, or you can just simply go ahead and click on activities over here directly. So just simply click on activities over here, and you will have a different preview over here, guys. As you can see, you will have here much more detailed way. And that's pretty much about it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and we'll try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.